Countless fire and rescue teams, as well as workers, place their lives in our hands every day, working with our products in the most extreme situations that life has to offer. At Dräger, we are constantly aware of this responsibility at literally every stage of production. Color? Accessories? Reflective visor? No, it's not a car configurator. This website helps customers create the perfect firefighting helmets for their individual needs. Let's give this a try. We input everything we want into the Dräger helmet configurator, and this is how the helmet will look. Once the order arrives at the plant, the work begins. This is where the employees make all sorts of Dräger helmets.
In our helmet production, we are using two different technologies to manufacture our helmet shells. Helmet shells from thermoplastic composite materials, which are made by an injection molding process, and helmet shells from duroplastic composite materials, which are made by a thermoset molding process. The thermoplastic helmet shells are pressed by a supplier partner and delivered directly to the assembly line, whereas the duroplastic helmet shells are pressed directly in-house. All further manufacturing steps of the final product in our helmet production are similar and performed in-house.
Each helmet shell is checked after pressing. Then it moves on to deflashing, followed by drilling. This is carried out by a robot.
We have chosen an optimum between modern automated production technologies on the one hand and well-experienced and qualified personnel on the other. On the basis of this well-adjusted process, we are able to maintain a constant, high and reproducible quality and reliability of our products. And in parallel, we strive towards long-term satisfaction, trust and safety of our customers.
Here's how the helmets we configured have turned out. A state-of-the-art paint robot applies our selected color. This painting line, which was custom-made designed, processes 60 helmets per hour. Primer, paint, clear coat. After that, some manual work has to be done. Our helmet harness is sewed together and the shock absorption components are molded for the inner shell. Next station, these colleagues take care of final assembly using the one-piece flow principle. All components are brought together here, including the customization features we requested using the configurator. Each part is inspected once again. Then, for the helmet, it's all a matter of luck not to be randomly selected as a test object.
The tests simulate real dangerous situations which a firefighter may encounter at any time. The basis for the tests is the EN 443 European Standard for Firefighting Helmets. Our regular testing procedures ensure that we can guarantee reliable and consistently high-quality products. In our laboratory, we conduct a wide range of tests, of which I would like to discuss three important ones in detail. In the first test, we test how exposure to heat affects the helmet's shock absorption properties, which is one of the most dangerous situations that firefighters face. In the second test, the helmet's visor is tested to see how well it protects against particles flying around in the air, which the wearer may encounter, for example, when sawing or cutting into a vehicle at the scene of a traffic accident. And the third test checks the helmet's resistance to lateral deformation.
All ready and perfectly made to order. Here's wishing this helmet a long operating lifetime.